You're running a home service business. Things are booming. Your crew is killing it and the jobs are rolling in. But as your business grows, so does the complexity of managing your team. One of the biggest headaches is payroll. Taxes, deductions, overtime, benefits, it's a nightmare. And let's face it, screwing up payroll can be a costly mistake. So, you're probably wondering, does ServiceTitan handle payroll? Great question. ServiceTitan is a powerful platform designed to streamline home service operations. It covers everything from scheduling and dispatch to customer management and invoicing. But payroll? Well, that's where things get a little tricky. ServiceTitan doesn't offer full-fledged payroll processing like a dedicated payroll service provider. However, it's not a total write-off. The platform does have some payroll-related features that can significantly simplify your life. Let's break it down. First, ServiceTitan is fantastic at tracking employee time. You can set up job codes, track hours, and even include things like drive time and idle time. This data is crucial for accurate payroll calculations. It's like having a detailed timesheet for every employee, right at your fingertips. Next up, ServiceTitan offers performance pay. This feature allows you to set up custom pay structures based on factors like job type, invoice amount, or even technician performance. It's a flexible way to incentivize your team and reward top performers. But here's the thing. While ServiceTitan gives you the tools to manage time and calculate earnings, it doesn't cut the checks or handle tax filings. For that, you'll need a separate payroll provider. So what's the best approach? Well, it depends on your business size and complexity. If you have a small team and relatively simple payroll needs, you might be able to get away with using ServiceTitan for time tracking and performance pay, and then manually processing payroll. But as your business grows, you'll likely need a dedicated payroll solution. The good news is that ServiceTitan integrates with several popular payroll providers. So you can seamlessly transfer employee data and time information to your payroll system, saving you time and reducing errors. To sum it up, ServiceTitan is a powerful tool for managing your home service business, but it's not a complete payroll solution. By understanding its capabilities and integrating it with a dedicated payroll provider, you can streamline your payroll process and focus on growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.